The Defense Research and Development Organization announced India on Saturday successfully tested the new generation nuclear-capable ballistic missile Agni P from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the Odisha coast. The Agni P is a two-stage canisterized solid propellant ballistic missile with dual redundant navigation and guidance system. The DRDO in a statement said various telemetry, radar, electro-optical stations and downrange ships positioned along the eastern coast tracked and monitored the missile trajectory and parameters. The missile followed textbook trajectory, meeting all mission objectives with a high level of accuracy. According to DRDO, the second flight test has proven the reliable performance of all the advanced technologies integrated into the system.